Broussard. Was cutting grass the other day and the front tire of the lawnmower popped off the rim. Jacked the front end of the lawnmower up, took the little tire off, and Molly and I are going to show you guys today how to get it back on. Alright, the problem is when your tire pops off the rim, if you try to just air it up, the air is actually going to come out in between this space between the rim and the tire. So you want to get a ratchet strap and actually tighten it down and tighten it to where the tire is pressing up against the rim before you actually start putting air in it. So you want to ratchet this thing down pretty tight and get as close to that rim as you can before you start putting air in it. Alright, once you've gotten this strap on pretty tight, it'll actually close that gap between the rim and the tire, and you can put air in it. I'm using a 10-gallon air compressor, but you can use a smaller air compressor that plugs into your car. But once you've got this done, you want to start airing it up. See, right now the air is actually in and it's attached to the rim, so you actually want to loosen the strap now to finish it up. Alright, the tire's on the rim now. It says right here it's supposed to be, the inflation is supposed to be at 20 psi, so test it out, see what your psi is. We're at about 15, so we want to finish airing up the tire. Test it again. Alright, we're at 20 psi. It's isn't very hard. The hardest part of this is just putting the ratchet strap on it, connecting it to the rim. Scale of 1 to 10, it's probably a 2 on effort level. So, good luck.